Unwanted leakage of the medium during loading and unloading can be a danger to the operator, the plant, or the environment. This is particularly critical when handling very aggressive media, such as, for instance, acids in the chemical industry. Stäubli offers a large portfolio of different couplings in large and small nominal widths for a safe loading and unloading process. Our dry connect couplings have among the lowest residual leakage and, compared to lever arm couplings, are the fast alternative to quickly close or open a media circuit. In the loading situation, our safety breakaway couplings are the best solution to prevent the medium from leaking when a truck, ship, or rail car accidentally moves on.
Unbeabsichtigtes Weiterfahren eines LKWs, eines Schiffes oder eines Bahnkesselwagens ausläuft.
We ensure that our product is tailored to your needs, starting with the choice of materials to various options such as coating or sensor. Highest quality at a competitive price.